Learning objectives. At the end of this topic, you will be able to find the increase or decrease in percent and find discounts. Find cost price, selling price, profit and loss percentage. Calculate sales tax and value added tax. What is 50% of 400? Good. 50% means half. So half of 400 is 200. What is 10% of 8,000? Yes, it is 800. What is 15% of 1,000? Very good. 15% is 10% and 5%. 10% of 1,000 is 100, so 5% is 50. Do you get 150? We can use these methods of calculating percentages to solve problems involving income and expenditure. Recalling ratios and percentages. Do you remember what is ratio? A ratio is a comparison of two or more quantities that are related. For example, in a group of students, say 4 girls and 1 boy. The ratio of girls to boys is 4:1. The ratio of boys to girls is 1:4. The ratio of 4:1 and 1:4 can also be written as 4/1 and 1/4. This comparison can also be done using percentages. For example, a picnic is being planned in a school for class 8. Girls are 40% of the total number of students and are 20 in number. The picnic site is 75 kilometers from the school, and the transport company is charging at the rate of Rs 15 per kilometer. The total cost of refreshments will be Rs 3,800. Find the ratio of the number of girls to the number of boys in the class. The cost per head if 2 teachers are also going with the class. If their first stop is at a place 25 kilometers from the school, what percent of the total distance of 55 kilometers is this? What percent of the distance is left to be covered? First, let us find the ratio of boys to girls. Let the total number of students be X. We know that 40% of X is girls. Therefore, 40% of X is equal to 20. This can also be written as 40/100 into X is equal to 20. Now bring this 40/100 to the right-hand side. So it becomes X is equal to 20 times 100 divided by 40. Now cancel 20 times 2 is 40, and then cancel 2 times 50 is 100. So the total number of students is 50. You can also find the number of students by the unitary method. There are 40% of girls out of 100 students. There is 1 girl out of 100 by 40 students. So 20 girls are out of how many students? Number of students is equal to 100 by 40 into 20. Cancel 20 times 2 is 40, and then cancel 2 times 50 is 100. We get the total number of students equal to 50. So, the total number of boys is equal to 50 minus 20, which is equal to 30. Hence, the ratio of number of girls to the number of boys is 20:30, or 20/30 is equal to 2/3. We can also write 2/3 as 2:3. Next, we'll find the cost per head if 2 teachers are also going with a class. Transportation charge is equal to distance both ways into rate, which is equal to 75 times 2 into 15. When we multiply this, we get 2,250. Total expense is equal to refreshment charge plus transportation charge is equal to Rs 4,250 plus 2,250, which is equal to 6,500. Total number of persons is equal to 20 girls plus 30 boys plus 2 teachers is equal to 52 persons. For 52 persons, amount spent would be rupees 6,500. The amount spent for each person is equal to rupees 6,500 by 2, which is equal to rupees 125. Now let us find the last subdivision. If their first stop is at a place 27 kilometers from the school, what percent of the total distance of 75 kilometers is this? What percent of the distance is left to be covered? The distance of the place where the first stop was made is equal to 27 kilometers. We find the percentage of distance by unitary method. Out of 75 kilometers, 27 kilometers are traveled. Out of 1 kilometer, 27 by 75 kilometers are traveled. Now we calculate for out of 100 kilometers, which is 27 by 75 into 100 kilometers are traveled. That is, 36% of the total distance is traveled. Distance from the school of the place where they stopped at was 36% of the total distance they had to travel. Therefore, the percent distance left to be traveled is 100% minus 36% equal to 64%. Edwin earns 2,600 rupees in March. His income increases by 25% in April. How much does he earn in April? How many sentences are there in this question? Yes, there are 3 sentences. Let us circle the clue in each sentence. What is the clue in the first sentence? Good. He earns 2,600 rupees. What about the second sentence? Yes, increases by 25%. What do we need to find? Good. We need to find how much he earns in April. Let's find the value of 25% first. 10% of 2,600 rupees is 260 rupees. 5% is half of 10%, so half of 260 is 130. Add them. What do you get? Good. 650. How much does he earn in April? So in April, Edwin earns 3,250 rupees. What does 35% off means in this advertisement? 35% off in this advertisement means Nisha can get a price 35% less than the store price when purchasing a book online. Nisha found a dictionary she's looking for. She wondered how much it costs to buy this dictionary online. Let us find out. What is the original price of the dictionary? The store price, which is 800 rupees, is the original price. So the new selling price would be 35% less than 800 rupees. 35% less than the original value can tell us the discount. 35% is the addition of 3 times of 10% and 5%. How much is 10% of 800 rupees? It is 80 rupees. How much is 5% of this? 5% is half of 10%. Halving 80 rupees gives us 40 rupees. Adding the value 3 times of 10% and 5% gives us 280 rupees. So the discount is 280 rupees. What do we do next? Yes, we can subtract the discount from the original price to get the new selling price. Subtracting 280 rupees from 800 rupees gives us 520 rupees. So the online price of the dictionary is 520 rupees. We can say that a discount is a reduction in the original price of an item. Let us look at another problem. At a sale, Kumar bought a 4-poster queen-size bed frame for 4,999 rupees. If the usual price for this item was 10,999 rupees, what percent discount did Kumar get at the sale? How do we solve this? What can you say about the new selling price? The new selling price is less than half of the original price. So we can estimate that the percent discount should be more than 50%. How do we find the percent discount? Yes, subtract the new selling price from the original price. 10,999 rupees minus 4,999 rupees is 6,000 rupees. What do we do next? We can now express the discount as a percentage. We divide the discount with the original price and multiply by 100%. This gives us 54.55%. Rounding 54.55% to one decimal place gives us 54.6%. So the percent discount Kumar got at the sale was 54.6%. Or it will make more sense if we say that the percent discount Kumar got at the sale was about 55%. At a sale, Reena bought this bag at the price of 2,400 rupees after 25% discount. What is the original price of the bag? How do we solve this? We know that the price after subtracting the discount is 2,400 rupees and the percent discount is 25% of the original price. So we can say that the new selling price of 2,400 rupees equal to 75%. What can we say about the original price of the bag? The original price of the bag is 100%. Using the given information, how can we find the original price? Multiply 100% by 2,400 rupees and divide by 75%. What is the answer? Yes, the answer is 3,200 rupees. So the original price of the bag that Reena bought is 3,200 rupees. How can we confirm that this original price is correct? Yes, we can find the value of the 25% discount of the original price. 25% equals 1 quarter. 1 quarter of 3,200 rupees equals 800 rupees. Subtracting the 800 rupees from 3,200 rupees, we get 2,400 rupees. So this confirms that our answer is correct. Profit related to buying and selling. What is profit and loss? Reena bought 3 balloons at rupees 5 and sold it for 10 rupees. She got the profit of rupees 5 more than she invested. Suppose, if she sold it for 4 rupees, what is her loss? Yes, very good. She lost 1 rupee. Now consider an example related to profit and loss. Sunil bought a second-hand scooter for rupees 8,500, then spent rupees 1,500 on its repairs and sold it for rupees 11,000. Find his loss or gain percent. To find the cost price, add the price he bought the scooter for and the amount he spent for the repairs. So, the cost price is equal to rupees 8,500 plus 1,500, which is equal to 10,000 rupees. Then he sold the scooter for rupees 11,000. So here the selling price is equal to 11,000. As selling price is greater than the cost price, he made a profit equal to rupees 11,000 minus rupees 10,000. So his profit on rupees 10,000 is rupees 1,000. Now let us calculate how much would be his profit on rupees 100. Profit is equal to 1,000 divided by 10,000 into 100%. After cancelling the zeros, we get 10%. Therefore, profit percentage is equal to profit divided by cost price into 100. If the selling price is greater than the cost price, profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. If the selling price is lesser than the cost price, loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. Sales tax and value-added tax. A tax imposed by the government at the point of sale on retail goods and services. This sales tax is charged by the government on the sale of an item. It is collected by the shopkeeper from the customer and given to the government. This is therefore always on the selling price of an item and is added to the value of the bill. These days, however, the prices include the tax known as value-added tax. We simply call it as VAT. Now let us see an example for finding sales tax and value-added tax. First, we see an example for finding sales tax. The cost of a handbag at a shop was Rs 800. The sales tax charged was 5%. Find the bill amount. Solution. On Rs 100, the tax paid was Rs 5. On Rs 800, the tax paid would be 5 by 100 into 800, which is equal to 40. So, the bill amount is equal to cost of item plus sales tax equal to Rs 800 plus Rs 40 is equal to Rs 840. Now let us do a problem for value-added tax. The cost of a refrigerator is Rs 11,000, including a tax of 10%. Find the price of the refrigerator before VAT was added. Solution. The price includes the VAT, that is, the value-added tax. Thus, a 10% VAT means if the price without VAT is Rs 100, then price including VAT is Rs 110. Now, when price including VAT is Rs 110, original price is Rs 100. Hence, when price including tax is Rs 11,000, the original price is equal to 100 divided by 100 and 10 into 11,000, which is equal to Rs 10,000. Summary. Let's summarize the topic. Discount is a reduction given on a marked price. Discount is equal to marked price minus sale price. If selling price is greater than the cost price, then profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. Profit percentage is equal to profit divided by cost price into 100. If selling price is lesser than the cost price, then loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. Loss percentage is equal to loss divided by cost price into 100. Additional expenses made after buying an article are included in the cost price and are known as overhead expenses. Cost price is equal to buying price plus overhead expenses. Sales tax is charged on the sale of an item by the government and is added to the bill amount. Sales tax is equal to tax percentage of the bill amount. The prices include the tax known as value-added tax, and we simply call it as VAT.